Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Today we are working on a sliding glass door and ours is not locking. Every time we close the door and attempt to lock it with the latch, it's just bound up on something. So in this video, we're gonna show you how to fix that. Let's take a look. All right, YouTubers, at the door now, and in the event that your door will close, however, you cannot lock it, you will have to open it up and check out this internal locking mechanism. In the event that it is not moving freely like this, meaning it may be jammed in the inner portion of this opening, well, you're going to have to loosen it. And in the event that it is continuing to stick in the internal portion, you may have to lubricate it with some white lithium grease. And once you do that and this internal locking mechanism moves freely, make sure your upper Phillips screw is secured, your lower Phillips screw is secured. Come to the door and you've got Phillips screws on the upper portion and lower portion. Make sure that those are secure, because in the event that this latch is loose, then this actual locking hook will not align itself properly in this little opening. So once you secure all those and lubricate this internal lock, you can go ahead and close your door and lock it. Unlock it, give it a couple tests, and you should be good to go. Hope this helps, YouTubers. That's it, YouTubers. Hope the video helped. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Hey, once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us. That would be awesome. Thanks again for watching.